MRT, procedure 39. I'll come over here. Hand it in the way.
All right, first we're gonna
Have it over here a little bit.
first we're gonna crank up our gain a little bit. Crank up our gain a little bit. Then we're gonna set our velocity to 2500 for aluminum. We'll set our range to 2 inches. And 0 at 0. Then our first back wall, we're going to move to 0. We're going to set our frequency to 10 megahertz. We're going to select our signal. That looks pretty good.
Selected the plus side.
Yes.
Okay.
And we're going to move our range to 0.900 because we're going to be measuring about 300 thousandths to 400 thousandths. Let's set it to let's set it to 800 thousandths range.
Okay.
I don't know if I like that signal.
Yeah, it's kind of a double. There you go.
Yeah, the
That's the
negative
negative.
side, yeah,
Yeah.
that looks better.
Usually does, but it wasn't looking that way a minute ago.
So now we're going to go in and adjust the adjust the range to get another signal. About like that.
So now you're at 1.0.
Oh no, that's too much. Let's stay there. Let's stay at let's stay at 900.
Okay.
So now we're going to adjust our gate.
And you're on the thin step right now, right?
Yeah, I'm on the thin step now. We're going to move the level to 30%. And we're going to go to the first back wall for the start. Then move to the fixed step and we'll adjust the width to the first back wall. And we're going to turn gate 2 status on, and we're going to adjust that from the thinnest step to the second back wall. And then go to the thickest step, and we'll adjust our width to, I think there will be fine. So now we're going to set up our G2 tracks. We're going to track G2 to gate 1. Our modes are correct, peak dual on both gates.
How about our measurement windows? We didn't do those yet, did we?
Not yet.
Okay.
Our measurement set up now. We're going to go to the manual. Reading number 1 is going to be our amplitude. Reading number 3 is going to be gate 1 thickness.
There it was.
And reading 5 is going to be gate 2 to gate 1.
Okay.
So now we adjust our thin step. I'm going to have to adjust this gate again.
Now gate setup, do we have the gate 2 following?
Yeah, gate 2 is following gate 1. So now you go to the first step and we're going to dial that in using the
0.
0. Until we're reading 200. And we're going to adjust the velocity. It's pretty close.
On the thick step, yeah.
400 thousandths.
Mm-hmm.
Our thickness is 400 thousandths. Our gates from 2 to 1's 1 thousandths off, which is within tolerance. So there's 200 thousandths, and it's 1 thousandths off, which is within tolerance. We'll see if we can dial it in a little better. So there's 200 thousandths. That's well within tolerance.
Yeah, it looks good.
300 thousandths
On the money.
and 400
On the
thousandths.
money. Perfect.
And that's all.